I'm Emmanuel Lal. I'm the data engineering lead at Xccelerated. My mission here is to guide and teach the next generation of data engineers. So most of the accelerators are software engineers. They have a bit of kind of background or history in working as a software engineer, and they want to move into data engineering. Currently, most of the companies are trying to move into being data-driven companies. So you have basically this need from the industry to have data engineers in your roles or company. So in practice, I consider it like being a data engineer is actually software engineer, but having some sort of affinity or strong affinity for data. So what you do, you apply software engineering practices to a place where you have data, a lot of data. You can have small data, but you can also have a lot of data. Because we put an emphasis on practices and of principles rather than on tools, we start with kind of consolidating your software engineering knowledge. Then we move into things like continuous integration, continuous delivery, tools like Docker. We talk, of course, about tools that are mainly specific for data engineering, like Hadoop, Spark. We are going to also touch details like, for example, how do you have like a batch process or a Spark process? What are the benefits of those? What is important to do? How to actually do it without doing it wrong. So after the program, you're able to start working as a junior data engineer because we are going to teach you the basic things that you need to know to actually start working or do your job. Usually we have the theory part, but then we have some sort of exercises, and then we have something called like hackathons where we give a problem for them to solve, and then we kind of work together on it for them to improve. So after the bootcamp, the accelerators for a period of 12 months, they join us for 1 day per week where they have new guidance on every kind of subject, like it could be soft skills, it could be technical. So it's a continuous learning for them. You should join Xccelerators because we spend time to actually teach you. We care about your education because basically where you go, it's basically our image imprinted in your skills. What we teach are principles and practices that you can use in day-by-day job. We don't teach you tools, we don't teach you just specific tools, we don't teach you necessarily certain APIs because those things you can learn yourself, but we try to guide you how to learn and how to put that in practice day by day.